It'll make it through the frequencies. It's beautiful. Beautiful birds. Please leave our planet alone, people.